huwag niyong kalimutan ang Diyos na tumawag sa inyo sa bukasyon na ito. God must be the center of your family, the foundation of your relationship.
With your feet in the air and your head on the ground, try this trick and spin, yeah. Your head'll collapse, but there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin?
Riza, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
John Michael, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Oh, I remember when you are with me.
Mahal, every day I spend with you reminds me how lucky I am. Your smile lights up my world. Your laughter lifts my spirit. And your love gives my life deeper meaning.
Above all the others.
Magpapakabait ka.
Lahat may pagsubok.
Naiyak ka, ma.
I wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true. And stay together with Riza.
No matter what comes our way, I'll always be your side, loving you, supporting you, and growing with you.
Uy, maganda, maganda. Maraming salamat. Ang ganda nung relo. Mahal, maraming salamat dito. Oh, napakaganda. Bagay na bagay sa akin. Damit.
It feels so good to reunite within yourself and within.
Thank you for being the heart of our home and the love of my life. Forever yours, sweet. Wow. Thank you, baby.
When you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe. Above all the ends, we'll fly. This brings tears into my eyes. My sacrifice. feels like forever.